Good morning. Today we're going to talk about using correct techniques. Now, that's something that whenever you go for a massage, people are going to be assessing you on. Were the techniques that the person's using effective or not? So the same with Raynor massage. When we're assessing our students, we want to make sure that they're using the correct techniques to suit the person. I always say techniques are one aspect of massage. Some people like to emphasize learning massage is all about techniques, but no, to me, techniques are just like a tradesman having his tools or her tools in a toolbox. Okay, so sometimes we have big hammers, little hammers, big screwdrivers, small screwdrivers, all sorts of different tools in our toolbox if we're a tradesperson. The same for a massage therapist. Knowing techniques is about knowing what tools to use for the job. Okay, so again, this is why we don't teach a routine massage. In a routine massage, they're just doing, everybody gets the same series of movements, which may be mildly beneficial for some people. Maybe they might really hit the right spot with other people, and with some people it's completely, virtually useless. So we always make the massage suit the person. So having a good understanding of techniques means we have our tools in our toolbox. Certain techniques are designed for lighter pressure, for people that need gentle pressure. Certain techniques are designed for people that need very heavy pressure, whether that be using elbows on heavy people, whether that be using our feet and walking on people. For gentle people, it may be just being able to work in certain ways with gentle flow, using a more flowing technique rather than a heavy technique. So understanding techniques is very important, and then being a tradesperson is understanding when and which technique to use for which purpose. Okay, so having a whole lot of techniques does not make you a craftsperson. So if you have a whole lot of tools, doesn't mean you can build a house. The same with understanding techniques. Techniques are important because we need our tools, but we need to know when to use which tool. Okay, so just like if you're going then for another massage and you're going to be assessing, well, were they using correct techniques that help me get rid of my tension? Because that is the goal of good massage, to find and get rid of residual tension. So the same with Raynor massage. Do you understand the right techniques? How to use these different techniques? You want to have this repertoire of a lot of techniques, but that doesn't mean you're going to use all those techniques in each massage. It's just that you have this ability to use a whole lot of different techniques, which is what we're going to be teaching you in our certificate course, in our diploma course, in our advanced diploma course, in order to help people. Okay, but you rarely would use all techniques in one treatment. That would take a long time, and they're not necessary for everybody. Okay, so you have your techniques, put them in your tool bag, and then know when to use which one. Another aspect of techniques is actually knowing correct body mechanics. Okay, so it's not just techniques to help the person receiving the massage, it's also techniques to help with your posture. So making sure that you are coming from your hara and using your body weight, for example, rather than just pushing from your arms. It's about techniques for if your table's not the right height, to open your leg stance so that you're not bending at your lower back. There are quite a few different techniques that are for your benefit as well. Okay, so think about that also when we're looking at techniques. Thank you.